Are these times contagious? I've never been this bored before. Is this the prize I've waited for? Now as the hours passing, there's nothing left here to ensure. I long to find that messenger. Have I got a long way to run? Have I got a long way to run? I run. Lightning crashes, an old mother dies. Her intentions fall to the floor. The angel closes her eyes. The confusion that was hers belongs now to the baby down the hall. Oh, I feel it coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. Lightning crashes, a new mother cries. This moment she's been waiting for. The angel opens her eyes, pale blue-colored eyes, presents the circle and puts the glory out to hide, hide, hide. Oh, I feel it coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. Have I got a long way to run? Have I got a long way to run? Have I got a long way to run? Have I got a long way